Gehry and Vlado Milunic designed the dancing house in Prague that opened in 1996. Designed for a Dutch insurance company, a hotel now replaces some of the office space. The design has two parts, an asymmetrical glass tower and a solid element with unaligned punch windows. A metal sculpture sits at the top of the tower. The Ginger and Fred restaurant has a bar at the top level with a view of the city beyond. Better yet, try Kampa Cafe across the river for a delicious brunch. See the dancing house when you're in Prague.